Click on the link below to get price. The 5000 watts portable dual-fuel inverter generator is a game-changer for anyone looking for a reliable power source. This generator stands out due to its versatility, allowing you to run it on either gasoline or LPG. This dual-fuel capability not only provides more options for fueling but also improves its overall efficiency. On a full tank of gasoline, the generator can run for around 12 hours at a 50% load, which is impressive for such a powerful unit. One of the most notable features of this generator is its portability. Weighing in at a manageable size, it includes a sturdy handle and wheels, allowing for easy transport. Whether you are camping, tailgating, or preparing for an emergency, this generator makes it convenient to carry power wherever it's needed. The compact design doesn't compromise on power output, delivering a robust 5000 watts, which is sufficient for running multiple appliances simultaneously. The inverter technology is another highlight, enabling the generator to produce clean and stable power. This is particularly crucial for sensitive electronics, such as laptops and smartphones, which can be damaged by irregular power supply. Users will appreciate the quiet operation, thanks to its advanced noise reduction system. At a distance, it operates at around 58 dB, making it suitable for residential areas and outdoor activities without causing much disruption. Moreover, the control panel is user-friendly, featuring multiple outlets for various plug types, including USB ports. The fuel gauges and easy start recoil mechanism enhance the overall usability. However, it's essential to keep in mind that while the generator performs admirably, it may require periodic maintenance to ensure optimal performance over time. Overall, the 5000 watts portable dual-fuel inverter generator is a reliable, efficient, and portable power solution. It's ideal for those who need flexibility in fuel choices and a dependable source of energy for both recreational and emergency situations. With its combination of power, portability, and quiet operation, it's certainly worth considering for your power needs.